How do you manage your corporate strategy? Constantly chasing people to update Excel spreadsheets for garbage in, garbage out, and no actionable insight or continuous improvement. Here's how you could be doing it. Set up in minutes. Enter your corporate objectives. Import existing data from Excel and cascade to your teams. Manage and delegate updates of your KPIs and projects to analyze by every dimension on live interactive dashboards. Review submissions, chat in context, assign and allocate tasks with workflow. Appraise by KPIs, projects, competencies, and feedback. View rated relative performance of every employee, plus risk management, role-based access, reminders and notifications, formulas and adapters, self-config, audit, micro apps, web APIs, all built in by default. Used by hundreds of companies, available in over 100 languages. Find out more at www.kippy.cloud.